Hey there! Today, we'll create a cool image gallery that adapts to different screen sizes. We'll use HTML and CSS to do this. First, we need a container for our gallery, so we'll create a div element with the class name responsive. Inside the responsive div, we'll make another div called gallery to hold our images. For each image, we'll use a img tag, and in the src attribute, we'll specify the path of the image file. Let's say the first image is img1. We'll also set the width to 700 and the height to 500. You can use pixels if you like, or just leave it as is since it's the default unit. After each image, we'll add a separate div element to write a description for that image. Write some text in this div, maybe add a description of the image here. Now, to create a gallery with 4 images, just copy this code for the first image and paste it 3 more times below. Also, change the src of each image. All other things will be the same. That way, you'll have all 4 images with their respective descriptions. Open the CSS file to style the gallery. First, select the gallery class and give it a border of 1 pixel solid with the light gray color. This will create a simple border around the images. To add a hover effect to the border, select the gallery class again and use the hover pseudo-class. Apply a 1 pixel border of black color when hovering over the images. This will make the border change color when you hover your mouse over an image. Now, let's set the width and height of the images. Inside the gallery class, we have img tags for the images. Set the width to 100% and the height to auto. The auto height will adjust the image's height according equals to its width, maintaining its original resolution. Time to style the image descriptions. Select the text with the desk class and add 20 pixels of padding. To center the text, you can use the text align center property. Your gallery is already looking good. To make your website take up the full width of the screen, you can achieve this by selecting all elements using the universal selector, asterisk, and then adding box sizing, border box, inside the brackets. This simple CSS adjustment will ensure that your website occupies the entire width of the viewport. Now, let's make it responsive. Select the responsive class and add 0 pixels of padding to the top and bottom, and 8 pixels of padding to the left and right. This will create some spacing around the gallery. Currently, all the images are displayed in a vertical column. To change this, add the float left property in the responsive class. This will make all the images float to the left side, allowing them to be displayed side by side. Finally, define the width of each image and its related text. Set the width to 25% for both the images and their descriptions. This will make 4 images fit nicely in each row. To make the gallery responsive, we'll use media queries. Media queries start with @, media and target specific screen conditions. In this case, we'll use only the screen to target screens, and in parentheses, specify the condition max width, 850 pixels. When the screen size is 850 pixels or less, the code inside this media query will be applied. We'll set the responsive class width to 50% and add 8 pixels of margin on the top and bottom, with 0 margins on the left and right. When the screen size reaches 850 pixels, each image will cover 50% of the page's width. To handle smaller screens, copy this code and paste it below, but now target a screen size of 500 pixels. Set the image width to 100% and remove the margin, as it's not needed. So, when the screen size becomes 500 pixels or less, each image will cover 100% of the page's width. Voila! Your image gallery is now responsive and will adapt nicely to different screen sizes. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. If you're unfamiliar with media queries, you can check out a video link in the description for more understanding. If you found this helpful, Don't forget to like and share it on social media. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more related content. Thank you for watching, and see you later.